This is a fully automatic electronic washing machine, program selected by the customer. While switching on the machine, the door will get locked immediately. Then magnetic valve gets switched on. Water comes through pre-wash valve to DD tray chamber number 1 and collects the detergent, and the soap water enters in the drum assembly. The soap water mixes with the soiled clothes. Once the water reaches the wash level in the machine, it will be sensed by the electronic pressure switch and cut the water supply. Then, machine starts to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is called tumble wash technology. After some minutes, the dirty water is dried out with the help of drain pump. The main wash magnetic valve gets on and the water is coming to the DD tray chamber number 2 and collects the soap and enters into the drum assembly. The soapy water is mixed with the laundry. Once the water level reaches wash level, it will be sensed by electronic pressure switch which maintains the water wash level. Then the machine starts to tumble or rotate. If hot water option is selected by the customer, then the heater will switch on during machine wash time. When the water level reaches the selected temperature, it will be cut off by the NTC signal. If the temperature is more than 60 degrees Celsius, the machine will take some extra water. This feature is called cooling down cycle. This helps to reduce the water temperature and wrinkles in clothes. After that, the machine will dry the dirty water outside. Then the machine goes to spin mode with low RPM. It is called intermittent spin. It helps to remove the soap content from the cloth. At the same time, drain pump also works and drains the complete water. Again, the water is coming through the pre-wash valve. This time, water level is higher than the wash level. It is saved by the electronic pressure switch. This is rinse 1. After some time, machine drains the soapy water outside. After that, water is coming through the main wash valve and comes to the drum assembly. This time, the water level is more than the wash level, which is sensed by electronic pressure switch. Then, machine starts to tumble after some time and then it drains the soapy water outside. Then machine goes to spin mode again. It's an intermittent 2. At the same time, the drying pump works and drains the complete soapy water. After pre-wash and main wash valve are getting activated, water comes to the additives chamber and collects the additives from the DD tray and mixes with the water. The additive water comes to the drum assembly. It takes more than wash level water and is cut by electronic pressure switch. Then it starts to tumble. After a few minutes, the machine drains the water with the help of a drain pump. Now the motor goes to final spin with high RPM, 600 to 1400 RPM. Motor starts from 0 RPM to maximum of 1400 RPM at a regular interval of time. After a few minutes at the maximum RPM, the motor gets switched off. After spinning profile, again the motor rotates at wash RPM, 52 RPM for both the directions. This feature is called anti-creasing. Then, machine display will show as end. After 90 seconds, turn off the machine by rotating the program knob to off position